lecture we will continue on temperature app. Last time we make text field and button and also result as a label. When we click the converted, we get debug here, and here is it. We make like number pad for it instead of string pad for it, like keyword. As we mentioned before, we changed from hardware connecting to hardware, we make it up. Now we will try to put number here. When we click converted, it should come result, change it to the Fahrenheit. That seems to become Fahrenheit. We stop the application here. What we need first, we need to make sure that user should enter the value here. If it's empty, it will return. So this is our last debug. We check it. We can make it comma. Okay. We come back here. We make if let result equal to what? It will be equal to the text field that we have, which is entry temperature dot text. That's the name of field of text field. We open brackets. Say if it's have this value on it, then let's check it. If a result is equal empty, then we need to return back to program. So we can warn the user. We also can keep it like that, so until he gets enter the value, then he can. Else, then here all the application will be what we need to take that value. We say if net number, let's say num equal to that value, which there will be value which will be text, which means it will be string. We need to make it double, so we use double function, built-in function that contain this value. What is it? Which was the result. Okay, if the value available, then make it double. After you make it double, we say let output equal to that number multiplied by 9/5. That's the equation for it, plus 32. Then what we need to make, we need to display it on here on our label result. So what we name it here, view controller. 1 minute here. We come back in outlet, we check it. Result as label. So result map, result temp dot text. So it will need to take string. What we have here, we make it double, so we change it again to string. We use string built-in function and we give that value for it, which is out the last result on it. So we come and run it. We don't have any error, just warning us. Fix it with constraint, make cost flipping. We can run it, still run it. If we come here and we give a value converted to it, become 100, it will become like that, and so on. We say 90, it will be 100 like that. It's easy like that. Like 45, we convert it, become 100, and so on like that. What I need from you, you need to make like counter here. Each time you make conversation, that counter get increased and show how much conversation did you make about the application. So each time it get converted, it be that will be run. We show you on here. So the application will be like this. Here will be conversation, 0 conversation. Upstairs on left corner, we give a value here 50, we click convert, become 1 conversation and show the result of Fahrenheit. As well as if we make it like here again, 2 conversation, like 42, 3 conversation, 4, and so on. If we click convert without anything, it will not continue on it. It will stop. Last time what we will do, we convert here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like so. You need to make something here to show up when you click here. Make conversation getting increased. This is homework for you. You should do it. You should try your best. And we come here. What did we learn in this class? We learned to make text field here and button and label. We connect with each other by making outlet for them and action for this button. As well as when we give value from here as a series, change it to Fahrenheit. We get temperature application like that. Also we use number pad. We learn how. Also we see that we can use also counter here for our conversion, number of conversions at a time. So hopefully you get benefit on it. Take care until next lecture. See you later. Bye.